Corey, what's up? Pump it. Let's do it. What's going on, buddy? How was your day? How'd you do? Boy, the market was really shit earlier for the open. Oh, just garbage. Hey, walk to you. What's going on, buddy? What's happening? What's good? What's good? Mayor, what's up? Not a bad day for me, except I blew my Take Profit Trader account, which I wasn't too happy about on day one. So I don't miss it already. It's gone. It never was meant to be. Too much size. Hey, Trading Star, what's up, buddy? Almost past your bedtime, isn't it? Today was your first day with TPT. Nice, man. How'd you do? Trading Star. My trading day ended up too fast. DLL hit. That was a top step eval. Oh, okay, Mayor. That's all right. Those DLLs saved me. They saved me. So far they've saved this account, this funded account here. They've saved this one, so I like the DLLs. Sand dip. What's happening? Pine Tree Jason here. Jonathan Trade, what's up? Jonathan Trade requested Apex payout last night, approved this morning, and you didn't even have to send in any feet pics or nothing? No feet pics? Congratulations, man. That's awesome. That's what I like to see. Made 350 on day one. Got 25K instead of my usual 50K. The other firms. Nice. Walk to you. Yeah. 350 a day. And yeah, in like a week, you'll be at payout. 4 days of screenshots. I see you came back green on Buellanox. Nice. Yeah, man. I'm back green on the Buellanox. So Buellanox is looking good. This account, ooh, I got paid. Let's go. How's the personal account? I have not been trading it. It's Trading Star. It's all invested in JetQ. Got my free MFU account today. Thanks again. No problem, TCG. I'm your lucky charm. Yeah, ever since Nicole passed away, Trading Star, I haven't been trading it. Figure that's smart. Just wish Apex would pay same day, being they have so many rules. Yeah, I know. Yeah, for sure, Jonathan Trades. Absolutely. I currently have 0 Apex accounts. I have some rebuilds coming up with 90%, so hopefully I'll start full porting those. Okay, Coach Fred. I still haven't activated the one I won from Nutty. Dude, TCG. TCG literally never has to pay for an eval. TCG never uses my code because he never buys evals. He always wins evals. Just kidding. You blew everything you had? Oh, today, Trading Star? I mean, today was rough. Rough start. Rough open. Basically for like the first hour and a half. Very rough. I ended up catching this short here, and that's how I got my money back on my funded futures. Oh, Nutty did? Did he lose all his accounts? Hey Keegan, what's up? I saw... Oh, he still has his Apex? Okay. He lost all his other accounts though. Yeah, I saw he posted something on X, and I said to him, well, he just gave me a heart. He posted something on X. He says, full transparency, I currently suck at trading, and I just prefer him mowing the lawn here. Keep calm and carry on mowing. Because I know he likes mowing his lawn. And if you guys want to follow me on X, Pine Tree Trader. Hey Alan, what's going on? He acted a bit nutty today. Uh-oh. Yeah. Dude's a pretty disciplined trader, I gotta say. The old nutty bar. He's pretty disciplined, but every once in a while he goes on tilt like the rest of us. Intraday is scaring you. Any tips? Yeah, the only tip that I will say with intraday trailing is to trail your stop. I like to trail my stop quickly. Besides that, just keep trading what got you there, or whatever you did to pass that account, unless you like full ported the open with 7 contracts, which I've been known to do. But yeah, I mean, just trailing your stop until you get over that buffer. It's probably the best way. Like, it's really hard to go for like, say you're trading 1 mini with the NQ and going for 100 points. You know, $2,000 or something, and then without trailing your stop. With an intraday trailing account, it's very difficult. Because it comes back to break even and you're pretty much toast, you know, you'll toast that account. But once you get over the $2,500, it's become static, and then it's good anyway. So yeah, 1 trade a day, trail it tight. It's a good tip. Trev, what's up? But yeah, man, just keep trading your edge. Risk it for the tick. Keep trading the edge. So that's sweet. Bielanox just took out my money. So that means that account I can trade once again. This is going to be the second payout I've gotten on that account. So now I'm working on that third payout, which should be interesting. My TPT is gone, Sandip. It is gone. I blew it today. Smoked it. Right off the rip. Yeah, unfortunately. It really sucks. Tilting Tuesday. Yeah, it wasn't really tilty. It was just like I kind of just sent it off the opening. I sent it off the first inside bar. I sent it with 2 contracts, and it kind of came back and hit my intraday trailing. So I kind of try to YOLO it for day 1 payout. Did I get any payouts before blowing it? Which one? TPT? No. That I just activated it today. Unfortunately. But that's alright. I lost $119. So. Whoa, LOL Joe. Just got my first 2K payout today. Can't wait to see it actually hit the bank. Let's go, man. Smash the confetti for LOL Joe. That's awesome. Yeah, TPT Pro accounts can be hard, GR, for sure. Let's go, Joe. Congratulations, man. First payout. I love it. What up, my people? Just got a Buellnox max payout. And another funded account. It's a great day to not riot. Let's keep stacking, y'all. Yeah, F7 for sure. You out in LA? Is anyone out in LA? Oh, it's alright trading on tilt. It's all good. Thank you, man. Just part of the game. So what are we gonna get? We're gonna get gap up or a gap down. Let's see. that's the magic 8-ball. Gap up. Sorry, Mayor. Don't fade the 8-ball. Yes, definitely, it says. Gap up. Put the Discord in the chat. Oops. Echoing. Alright, you guys want to join the Discord? It's right there. It's free. No catch. Do I like trading Asia session? Not really, JR. GR, sorry. Not really. I do it for the stream. So yeah, no, I do it for the stream. It's not my favorite. Hey, Trading Star, thanks for topping in, man. Appreciate it. Smash that like button on your way out, too, Trading Star. Appreciate you. 600 away from all-time high. Why not just send it? It's true. Hey, Kenny. His Royal Trades. What's going on, buddy? Michael Escorza. Yeah, GR, like, when I started streaming the 6 o'clock open, my subscribers went like 10 times. So, and it gives a place people hang out like after work and stuff, which is kind of cool. Yeah, New York opens where I'm at. Have I tried Futures Desk? I have not, Sandit. I have not. Question is, will I ever learn Kid Poker? Well, market only goes up. So we'll see. We'll see what happens tonight. I hope we get a little action tonight. Hey, Nate, what's going on, buddy? Just giving the fans what they want. Yeah, Nate, for sure. Hey, Design, what's happening? Hey, Woodchip, what's going on, man? Good to see you. I'm all in tonight. Full port Kid Poker. Hopefully we get some movement. I don't know what Trump said or if it moved the market or hopefully, but it's the day before CPI, so I don't know. We shall see. The market moved exactly as soon as I signed off last night, I noticed. This is me signing off last night, 8:10, 8:05, 8:10, and then all of a sudden, so. But that's where I wish I was more on the West Coast. That way I could stream later. I just learned that you can write off evals, startup costs off on taxes. I got about 1K to write off already in about 3 months so far. Yeah, walk to you for sure. Yeah, absolutely. Yep. Good to keep track of all that stuff anyway. But absolutely. They are write-offs. Alright, got about 6 minutes before market opens. PA 75 starts tomorrow. Nice, Kid Poker. I mean, 75 ain't bad. I think I'm at like 100 something. I I feel like I don't know. I don't have much patience with the Apex lately. It's kind of how I felt with Buellnox, man. Lately with Buellnox, I've been crushing it. Hey, Dustin Capers, thanks, man. Appreciate you. Joom here. I don't even need to go all in. I was about 30% in and got destroyed. Yeah, kid, but, you know. So if anyone requested Thursday or Friday with Buellnox, the money should have came out of your account. It just came out of my account here. Which is pretty sweet. We've had so many green days in the last 2 weeks. Yeah, we really have. And the funny thing is, like on the daily chart, which I very rarely look at, I would have bet that this was going to be a start of a down move. This daily candle here. But boy, was I wrong. Boy, was I wrong. On the 5th. I thought, oh, we're going to get some continuation on that move. But just keeps going up. Majority from Buellnox, I had to come to the realization that cheaper evals can work negatively because in my subconscious mind, when I blow them, I don't really give a fuck until I look back at how much. Yeah, walk to you for sure. They can really add up, but I get to say, like, so can't, like, my funded futures accounts or take profit trader accounts, like $100 a pop, $120 a pop. Like, that's essentially, I probably have buying what, 8 Buellnox accounts, 7 Buellnox accounts, and there's still evaluations no matter how you look at them. The only difference is that, you know, there's no activation fee, but boy, those can really add up too. And I can tell you what really can add up is if you reset take profit trader accounts. You reset take profit trader accounts, whew, and blow some of those, it can really add up too. But is it cheaper than a personal account for most? Yes. I mean, if you can trade a personal account and crush it, then all power to you. But if you can't, then. But I'm thinking about actually getting a My Fund Future expert account and working on that. I've never tried one. So, because if you go to live with My Fund Futures with a starter account, they cap you at $2,500. With an expert account, they don't cap you. So, it's something to keep in mind. But starter accounts are starter plus accounts, some of the easiest payouts to get. So currently 25% off starter plus accounts and expert accounts using code Pine, and 50% off My Funded Futures if you're a brand new user. So hey Tex, what's going on? Currently I only have 3 Buellnox master accounts, 1 My Funded Futures. I just blew a take profit trader today. So that's all I got right now, currently. But stay tuned, I will have more. But yeah, as many as I can, I guess that's what I should say, Tex. As many as I can. I could activate a Buellnox right now, master account, but Yeah, I'll walk to you. So Alpine has been showing that he's kind of been grinding a take profit trader account, getting those daily payouts. So a bit of a, I wouldn't say a gap down, but the magic 8 ball was not correct. Yeah, Tex, for sure. It's good to diversify. It's best not to stick all your eggs in one prop firm's basket, for sure. It becomes it gets to be a lot of trading though. No top step in the bag. I have no top steps currently. Risk it for a tick, but I do trade top step. I have an XFA curse going on this year actually. Yeah, you can see my 5K top step hat back there. I actually do trade top step. This is a humble brag. Alfred likes it when I point out my top step hat. I just so happened to have that top step hat in the background when I was watching, or when I was on My Fun and Futures TV by accident. Let's see. A-Team, what's going on? Thank you, sir. Drop the like. Hey, Amelia, what's up? Do you full port MFU eval accounts? I do trade them heavy, like 1 to 3 minis, Katie Lay, for sure. I kind of use the daily loss limit as not as my stop, but like I'm not scared to risk the daily loss limit on the starter accounts for the day. Hey, that's a good plan. Walk to you. Beelnox, TPTs, and top steps. I like that. Hey, Discipline Trader, what's up? All right, guys, market pushing up higher here. Hopefully we get a little market movement. Top Step still hasn't fixed your trade evade issue. That's so weird. You're the one that, yeah, they couldn't activate it or something. Charles Bassett, that's so strange. He blew 4 TPT evals, so just gonna stick with Top Step. Well, essentially they're the same, Mayor. But I mean, it's okay. Stick with Top Step, but the evals are, yeah. Take Profit Trader evals are the same, except you have to trade them for 5 days, but it's still the same with 50% consistency. But yeah, but I get it. Huh, that's weird, Charles. I might fund a future starter plus. Oh, funded account? Yes. Funded account does have that has a scaling rule too, don't it? No, it shouldn't. It doesn't have a scaling rule, does it? Oh yeah, it does have a scaling rule. So yeah, our who am I talking to? Oh, Discipline Trader. So once you get over, is it $1,000? Then it'll let you add another contract. So you only trade one contract at first, because that has a scaling rule. The only thing that doesn't have the scaling rule is the expert accounts. And the eval to live doesn't have scaling rule either, but micros, yeah, it's a 5 to 1. It's a 5 to 1 on starter plus. It's a 10 to 1 on a starter. I actually did not know that until you just asked that. which is kind of dumb. But I actually didn't know that. Well, I learned something today too, Discipline Trader. Yeah, 7 not on the starter plus accounts apparently. It's 5-1. I'll show you right here. 5-1 on a starter plus, micro scaling, starter account 10-1. Expert, there is none. So I think I'm gonna be going for a 50K expert account. It's currently 25% off. I think I might pick one up tomorrow, depending on, now that Buellanox payout just hit the bank, I will give it a shot maybe. I know Terry Trades is trading expert accounts right now, so yeah. Oh really, on the expert too? Hey Smokey, what's up? 2,500 each time, first trade. Then the next one barely ticked me out, goes to another 3K. It's BS. Top Step's not 10-1. It's only 10-1 if you use Project X7. Yeah, actually, Top Step is 1-1 if you trade anything but Project X, which is insane. But yeah, but Buellanox is 10-1. Easy write-offs though. Yeah, it's crazy 7 for sure. Hey, Christopher Campbell, what's going on? Pushing up higher here. 956. Hey Alfred, what's going on? How's it going? Is there any way to save levels on Trade-Evate? Save levels. I have no idea. Text. You mean once you place a line, like a level? Something like that? I think it should stay, but I guess it maybe disappears after the new market. They're removing DLL on Project X in August. So I don't like DLL on evals, but I do like it with funded accounts, so I guess I'll have to set my own daily loss limit. Yeah, they should just save automatically, text. But Amelia says it stays until you clear the screen. Yeah, it should stay. So if you make a line there, it should stay. Maybe on some props text that it removes it the next day. I know sometimes like on some props, like my buy and sell orders, my filled orders will disappear on some props, but maybe that might be it. I know Amelia trades a personal account too, so yeah. Yeah, which prop you trading with Tex? Traded 5 my funny futures. Yeah. It might be the reason, like, on the daily it clears itself out, maybe. Yeah. Which is weird. I had my biggest day since going live 2 months ago. Trade personal account 476. Started at 2,500. 2 months across the 30. Whoa, nice, man. Hey, that's pretty good. Is straight to funded worth it? Sick of passing evals. Straight to funded that I like, Paul Moses, is Tradeify. Here's the downsides to them is the 20% consistency. That's what most people don't like about them. Obviously a little more expensive, but I got a payout with Tradeify 25k account 2 months ago. 25k straight to funded. I mean, I don't know what I just said. Straight to funded 2 months ago with Tradeify. And 20% consistency actually doesn't bother me much. I don't know, for some reason the consistencies never, they just don't affect my trading much. But yeah, I mean, that's the downside. If you're interested in Tradeifys, you gotta use my link, my Tradeify link, and then use code JUNE, not June, June, as in the month, as in my birthday month, June. Do you see any difference on your passing rate in Project X versus Tradeivate? My passing rate? No. No. Lately, Fred, I've been crushing it on the Project X. Obviously with the Bulenox. And I still hate looking at it. But I think what it is most here's I was talking this over with my trading buddy, and I think for the most part the reason why I've been trading Bulenox so well is because you have to trade it for 10 days to get a payout. And that's like, everyone's like, oh, that sucks. Yeah, it does. But I'm not like, I'm just hitting the base hits, kind of doing the base hit thing. So you can kind of see my trades here. You know, if I make 300, 400, 500 bucks, I'm done. I literally hit that lockout button. So this is what I've been doing. This day I had a pretty big day, 1,200 bucks, but for the most part, it's kind of base hit trades in days. Because I have to trade it for 10 days. Like today I made like 391, and I was like, oh, that's good enough. I still gotta trade it for 5 more days. See what I think what I did today. Yeah, 391. So I think that's why I've been kind of crushing it lately on them.
Order filled. Order filled.
Currently long off the inside bar of the NQ. I'm taking it on the micros though. Kind of looking to scale in a bit. Hey, Eric Lake, what's going on? Did I miss something? Finally broke my streak today. 3 weeks, 1K, 4K. I only made 863. 863 bucks is awesome, Eric. Congratulations. And congratulations, LOL Joe, who got his very first payout today. I don't know if he's still hanging out. Red Candles, what's going on? I love when people get their first payouts and they come here to announce it. It's awesome. You like Project X? Yeah, I do too. I'm so used to looking at the Tradeovate, and I have those indicators, which is nice. Do all 10 days need to end in profit? No, Nestor, not at all. And matter of fact, you can flip 20% of those days. So you only need to trade 8 days. With Buellanox. Currently 83% off if you use code PINE. That's why straight to funding works for you, because of 20% consistency. Yeah, for sure. I got 120 first day unfunded, 230 today if I keep at it. Yeah, Red Candles, 120 today, funded, 230 today. If I keep that little amount going, will I? Yeah, absolutely, Red Candles, absolutely. You don't need to trade it for 10 days either. You can trade it for 20 days, 30 days, and work to that payout. So, yeah, absolutely, man. Hey, Skog, what's up? Nestor short, that's okay. That's okay. One of us was gonna win. Good luck, good luck. Project X, my favorite. Salty TPT doesn't have it. Yeah, no, they don't have it. Here's the reason why My Funded Futures and other companies don't have Project X. It's because Top Step, here's an interesting fact. This is what Matt Leach, the CEO of My Funded Futures, said on Twitter. Top Step owns Top Step X, or Project X now. So, kind of crazy, right? That's right. So, Buellanox has Project X. Some other companies have Project X. So, I didn't say it. He said it. So, yeah, his royal trades. I'll even pull it up on Twitter, because he responded to one of my tweets, Matthew Leach. Hopefully he didn't take it down. All right, here it is. So, I responded to Matt Leach. It says, not sure, but my subscribers are always wishing for My Funded Futures had Project X. And then he responded and says, we never will, unfortunately. It's owned by Top Step, and voluntarily giving them our customer data is not something we want, is not something we plan to do. So right there. I didn't say it. It's right there. Kind of interesting though, right? Funny, I can't seem to get a payout, Top Step, but Fuel Knox, which uses Project. Oh, you locked in a few. Yeah, it's because Top Step doesn't have the consistency. 7. You're probably like me, and you want to try to get those bigger winning days. Are we just gonna chop VWAP again all night or what? Bodine. Yeah. I don't know. Short gold, long silver, full porting everything design says. Well, that's good. If you're short gold, I'm long NASDAQ. That's gonna be good. Hey, full port Terry in the house. Hey guys, since Terry's here, let's check out, anyone want to see Terry's feet?
I can't. That's.
Jerome says, show him your feet pics.
I can't. That's. Or they were asking you because they're always asking me
It's
to
Terry's
do the
feet.
same, and you know they always asking me to
Size
do the
6.
hot tub pictures, but that's a different kind of streams.
Jerome says, show him your feet pics.
I can't. That's.
Terry. Crazy. Size 6. All right, market's chopping this VWAP here. Nice feature. We couldn't get Tom to do it, so. At least she had clean socks on. She must have clean floors too, because that's a good thing. No stains on the bottom of her socks. Okay, we are long here. The socks were dirty. Yeah, that's true, Alfred. People are into the dirty socks. Smokey Bear's rich. Yoa, Roa, what's going on? I saw you, Yoa. Roa. Hanging up above the VWAP here. Eesh, it's not looking good. Lost shitty day for me. Lost an XFA and 4 PA Apex accounts. Oh man, sorry to hear that, Roa. I lost a Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader account. Pro account. Yes, Terry Trades is doing an awesome job on as a host. My trading buddy, Terry Trades, is doing an awesome job. All right, swept below the VWAP there and push it back up. I might be on tomorrow. Who never know. Hey, Mo in the house. Is this for Terry or for me, Mo? For the feet pics. Or Mo wants to see my feet? Is that what it is? Wow, that's so awesome, Mo. Thank you so much. Let's go, guys. You know what? Oh yeah, Mo wants my trampoline picks. Thank you so much, Mo. You're the man. Yeah, I heard Nutty lost a bunch of funded accounts today. I think his Apex accounts are still safe, sort of, but. How many people we got watching? 115? Let's do a, exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys. 150K take profit trader giveaway. Let's do it. We'll do it at 8 o'clock Eastern time. Thank you, Mo, so much. Let's give it up for Mo Lester. Must have a take profit trader sign in. You don't need an account. You don't. Well, you gotta have an account, but you don't need to have like an active account. Just. T. Charles, thank you for the sub. Hey, Paul Moses, nice. Made 554, 49, and out at 62. Calling it quits, Moses. Nice, man. Congrats. Good night. Yeah, 8 p.m. Eastern time. We'll do it at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Must be here. We'll do a moose race. Smash the like button too. Let's get this stream, let's get those algorithms up for the YouTubes. Oh man, I missed my take profit by a tick. Kidding me? By one tick. Ugh. Do I see Top One's new straight to funded accounts? No, I didn't send it, but I've heard they're having issues, but I don't really know anything about them. Don't forget to smash the like button, that's right. Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. It's like gold is coming down as well. Hey Sherry, what's going on? Exclamation point pine in the chat, Sherry, if you want to join the 150K Take Profit Trader giveaway moose race. Double O Kevin, what's going on? Funny facts, what's happening? Man, I can't believe that missed that by a tick. I wasn't really paying attention either. I probably would have took it off, but hanging in there like a fart in the shower. Double O Kevin. Yeah, I hear you, buddy.
Order cancelled.
Unreal. Little bad luck there. That's all right. Little unlucky on that. Only down $69. 69. It's like gold's finding support, possibly. That's probably why Nasdaq's pushing up.
Order filled.
Might actually try a long in gold here. Just trying to break that trend. Stop at the low.
Order working.
I need to skin up. Sorry. Hey, Cranston White, what's going on? On Terry Trade's stream, you get feet pics. On my stream, you get the movies. It's getting warm in here. So long gold here at 344. Gonna stop just below the low here. Kind of breaking this little downward trend line. Or trying to anyway. If we get a nice push up here, should give us some good confirmation, but where NQ is kind of pushing down there, now below the VWAP. Might be good for our gold position, but hey Darwood, what's going on? Want to thank Uncle Mo for the $200. Exclamation point Pine in the chat for 150k. Take profit trader account for a credit. TPT credit. JC Trades, what's going on? Hey, Kofer, what's up? I'm long gold, Kofer, actually. I'm actually long gold right now at 344. Yeah, it's for TPT. It's for Take Profit Trader, 150k credit. So it's for eval credit. Hey Dean, what's going on? Silky C in the house. And Christopher Campbell, yeah, just make sure that you have at least have a sign in for Take Profit Trader. So at least make an account. You don't have to get you don't have to buy an eval or anything. Just make sure you're having a Take Profit Trader account. Because what I'm gonna do is give them the email or your Take Profit Trader email, and then they're gonna credit your account with it. Sweet. Going to the moon, Michael Benny. But yes, thank you, Mo. NASDAQ rejected off the VWAP, so that's good for us. Kind of breaking that trend line. Hey Silky C, did all right. I blew a Take Profit Trader Pro account, but then finished green on all my other funded accounts. So yeah, no, Michael, it's really not moving much, is it? Only goes up, design says. So we're looking good. You're entered in long. Good luck, Kofer. It's slower than molasses. Yes. Yeah, GC red candles is $10 a tick. So you can actually get a lot of bang for your buck, really, but yeah, this is Trade of 8, Live Laugh Trades. Oh, nice, Kofer. How do you change the candle colors? So to change these ones, you just double click. You can change the normal candles to whatever you want. I'll be right with you. And then the yellow candles are inside bars, so that's an indicator. LDT inside outside bars. And the purple candles are Ed of the Woods Harami. And that's an indicator as well. Cash Ol, what's going on? I have such a huge headache after today's trading session. Yeah, a lot of screen time, probably pressure behind the eyes. I get that too. Yeah, nice push up there. Oof. Can I trade Rhythmic on mobile? I opted for Quantal. Apparently I don't know what I'm doing. Can you check the Discord? Oh boy. Oh boy, walk to you. I can't really help you. I have never accessed it through mobile. I don't know if someone else can help in the Discord, but
Order cancelled.
you take the profits right there. You can. I have Android and have Rhythmic on mine. Okay. Not ideal, but it works. I think it's going to 50. Probably I should. I was thinking about. It's kind of like having FOMO. I'm like, oh, maybe I should hop back in, but see if we get a little pullback on this new 15-minute in about 10 seconds. Gold's still pushing higher. Nasdaq also looking like kind of rounding up. It's a little interesting. This is the gold pullback. It's not a bad cover on the I'm not very experienced at trading gold, so do we try again?
Order filled.
I'm gonna hop in again on the gold. This is on the eval too, guys, by the way. This is a My Funded Futures starter eval. How long are my trades usually? During the overnight, risk it for a tick, or during Asia markets and Globex, long. Normally, let's take a look. Two minutes and 55 seconds, 3 minutes and 57 seconds. Average trade, 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's check out this one. This is the one I've had the longest. Yeah, 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes and 30 seconds, my average trade. And as you see, my losers are much longer, which is always a bad sign. So this account I've had for quite a while. Since April 29th. All right, we're in another pullback long on gold. Gold is a bull dance, plays technical, but will overshoot everything. Yeah. I'm not that experienced trading gold. The only time you see me trading gold is usually right now, this time of day. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We'll do a 150K take profit trader giveaway. Thanks to Uncle Mo Mo for the $200 super chat. Hey, Legend of Alexander, what's up? If I win, tell Mo. Yeah, sure, David, right? Beelanox does a cap payouts. I don't know, Nate. After 3 payouts, we'll see. I think it goes uncapped, but then they look to move you live. So I'm gonna be testing that theory. I hope. We'll see. I'm trying to be the guinea pig because there's not a lot of information on it. So I watched a few videos on it, but yeah, the first 3 on the 50K, yeah, 7. So $1,500 max payout on 3. Yeah, 3 payouts on 1 account. I'm currently working on my 3rd payout on this account here, and I'm working on my 2nd payout on these accounts. But yeah, this one will be my 3rd payout on this one if I get to it. So we'll see. Yeah, same with my funded futures, Roa, with like the starter accounts, starter plus, $2,500 max, which kind of sucks. And then the expert accounts, there's no cap, I guess. And Take Profit Trader, what I don't like about when you go live with them is that it still has trailing drawdown, intraday trailing drawdown on a live account. Doesn't really make much sense to me. Yeah, Kofor, I'm still long. I hopped in another long on the pullback. Probably regret it. Can you microscalp on Beelanox? Yeah, I don't see any rules about that. They just want consistent sizing. But what they do is they look at the average sizing, your average size. They told me it's no certainty that they'll pick me. Exactly, Oscar, yeah. I'll lose 10K if they send me live. Keegan, boner candle. Oh, MQ's moving. NQ's moving. Oh! Here we go. Here we go. Alright, getting out of the gold. NQ's pushing high. Alright, must have had some sort of news. Must have some sort of truth tweet. Check out the Beelanox Trader Hub. Any market news? Nothing yet. Alright, we're getting some movement now. Long 21.9452, nice. Hey, nice trade reg. Yeah, you can micro scalp walk to you, yeah, for sure. Oh, you just missed it, Joe? Yeah, don't get the FOMO. I don't know what that was on, what that was, but Keegan says China official consensus with U.S. on Geneva talks. Oh, that's probably what it was. Donnie, what do you mean by intraday trailing drawdown is in live? So yeah, when you go to a live account with Take Profit Trader Pro account, they still have intraday trailing. So you basically start over like you started a Pro account, so with the Pro Plus. The only advantage is that there's a 90-10 split instead of the 80-20 split. TCG Andy's back to win the Take Profit Trader account. Exclamation point pine TCG. Trump and I don't know how to say it. Sai kiss to show solidarity. Stock up with age to go into 22,000. We could, yeah. Intraday scaling is okay up to the account's buffer. Anything after that is a scam. Yeah, I agree, John Henry. I just don't agree with it in the live account. Like when you actually go to pro account, like the actual live markets, the Pro Plus accounts, I'm like, really? I'm like, this is not like a live account. But hey, it's okay. That was one of the things that shocked me when I had my Pro Plus account. I was like, yeah, I agree, Joe. Yeah, it's a little odd, but it is what it is. I think you're gonna see better incentives and stuff for the live accounts with the prop firms, like Tradeify is doing, and I know Top Step's doing some sort of bonus thing, and so that's all it was. Was it just that China news? China? Yeah, I guess that was China. Yep, China reached consensus with U.S. on Geneva Agreement. That's probably what it was. Yeah, live accounts should be wide open, or else people would just go with their own broker. Like, yeah, exactly. You're pretty sure live accounts are actually demo accounts? Yeah, who knows? I don't know. I can't remember. I might have tested it to see if my order would go in on the books. I can't remember. I feel like I tested it with one company. So I was looking at my personal account and I have the order book. And when I placed the order, then I could see it. TopStat gives a bonus of 1K. All you have to do is make 1 million. No problem, Crypto King. Just make a milli. Easy peasy. Oh, yeah, it's a Harami candle, but man, is that a massive candle.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take it.
Order working.
I'm not gonna look for the whole thing though. Scalped out on that. Normally I'd look for the whole thing at 949. I don't know. I just don't have the confidence, I guess. So quick little 13 points. I mean, no, sorry. 13 points. Like 7, 8 points. Oh, I'm sure he's going order filled crazy over there. Maybe I should have held it. Damn. The VWAP.
Order filled.
Kind of long.
Order filled.
Schemer, scammer, scandal? Probably is, yeah. Scaling in with the micros. Gold stumping.
Order filled.
Man, should have held that, huh?
Order
Stop
cancelled. Order cancelled.
Wow. Okay. Damn, Trev. Feeling very weak now. That could be the catalyst to push us down lower. Maybe to 909. That next wick there, get the gap down here. Around the 900s, I don't know.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm scaling on a short here.
working. Order working. Order filled.
Adding to my short here.
Order cancel. Order cancel.
Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. If you want to join the giveaway, we're gonna do a moose race here in about 45 minutes. Yeah, we got Uncle Mo spotted in the super chats. There we go. That's what I want to see. Nice flush there.
Order filled.
Took off one. Hey, Jeremy Doss Art, what's going on? Exclamation point pine, Jeremy, our last winner. Take profit trader. ES coming down, nice. That's a good sign. Looking for it to run this wick down here. Woo! Come on. I wish I was in 3 minis, but $9.22 is 50% of that 5-minute wick. I want it. There it is. Nice, says Royal Trades. Wow, what a bounce. Wow, what a bounce. I don't know. Something to do with China. Something with China design. Keegan, I don't know. I'm not so sure. I think we have some room to the downside.
Order filled.
I'm actually gonna add to my short again. But hey. Hey, nice, Joe. But yeah, I mean, it very well could be a V shape. I mean, we know the Nasdaq loves the V shapes. And there's the push. Oof. Tiger just blew his one of his accounts. Eesh. Not hard on this. Who don't love the V shapes? I'm with you, Seven. Wow. What a bounce. Damn.
Order
Stop
cancelled.
Wow, what a bounce there. Alright, we got some volatility. I like it. Let's do it. Market wants to play games. I'm glad I was in small with the micros, because not, this account would have been smoked. Boy, I really thought we'd push down. Nice call, his Royal Trades on that that cover there. But yeah, I thought we'd possibly push down below that wick and then into this gap. We still probably will, but yeah. They love the 5-minute wick equilibriums, like the 50% larger wicks. Yeah, his Royal Trades. Good call, buddy. I like that. Past 50. Oh, nice, Roa. There you go. So it's almost like you didn't even lose that XFA. Right back to it, Roa. Nice work, man. We are bullish, red candles. That is for sure. I was looking at the daily earlier, and I thought for sure on this big engulfing candle right here, this bear candle, like, I thought we were gonna get continuation, but boy, we did not. A few days ago on the 5th, we are just rallying higher. Alright, let's see if we get a Harami or an inside bar to trade. I'll be right back. I gotta grab some water. I think I have a drinking problem. Sneaks 3 then natty lights off camera. Exactly 7, yeah. No, these are actually polars. Polar seltzer waters. No alcohol, just seltzer water. I might have a hard seltzer after I get done off stream though. But I usually don't drink on school nights. Just Fridays. I might have a cocktail. Hey, DJ Nitro, what's going on? Thank you for the sub. Yeah, drinking and trading, yeah, I don't recommend it. Wow, what a fake out. This is great. This is good. I'm glad the market's moving. The more I learn, the more noise instead of looking at the VWAP EMA. Yes, red candles, exactly. Yeah, I mean, paralysis by overanalysis. 100% can happen. There's 22,000. And then immediately rejected off it. I'm gonna take a look at the book map here. Yeah, we just kind of went flat there on the book map. After that 22,000 got taken out. See it up here, 22,000. Get a weak high. Tap those breaker blocks. Those are A+ setups. Switch long and there goes that account. Oh, design. We did this last Asia session too, breaking out of New York. Shit range. FU Asia session. Yeah, kind of wild. This is good though. This is what I want. I want some volatility, but that these major fake outs, something. Right back into the chop range. Back down to the VWAP probably. Gold's going lower. Another 300 on that short from the top. Think I'm done for the day. All right, Joe, lock yourself out. I hear you. Not financial advice, but yeah, nice start. Unlucky entering minis when meant micros. Like lucky pullback to DCA. Unlucky more pullback for more DCA. Lucky bounce to make it all green. Nice, Yo Jim. Yeah, that was quite the fake out. Short till we get back to the point of control. Smoked in both directions. I managed to grab that short and I scalped out because I did not think the market had enough, oomph to really push it down, and then I was completely wrong about that. And then I tried that long Well, I tried to hop in short again, and then it bounced. Yeah, and I got smoked out of that with the micros. Thankfully, I was in the micros, but sorry to hear that, design. GC's dumping now. There goes GC.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
So we're gonna hop in along on NASDAQ while gold's tanking. Gold really pushing down here. Looking for NASDAQ to push back up.
Order filled.
And DCA until I get one contract.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Get rid of these fills. I don't like these fills. What's my strategy here? Bull strike cheetah, gold tanking. That's my strategy. Yeah, you're calling me out there, and it's understandable. Now we're putting in an inside bar. So gold and NASDAQ's kind of been inversing each other on the overnight, and that's basically what I was kind of going off from there. But we'll see. I'm completely offsides on this trade. Oh, nice. I gotta get that new dashboard, Smokey. You got both charts up at the same time, red candles? Oh, interesting. There's the break of the inside bar. Oh, it's very simultaneously. Oh, okay. We swept that inside bar. Kind of off the VWAP, so let's see what we do. Spent 2,400 on resets and still doing well. Yeah, sometimes that return on investment works out for sure. Hey, red candles, you know what? Hey, if you see something like that, man, and I probably don't know more than you. I'm just an idiot, so. But yeah, no, absolutely. Share away, guys. Oh, and don't have it? Oh, okay. Exclamation point pine, Wildy. So all you gotta do is put it in the chat, exclamation point pine. And make sure you have a Take Profit Trader account, like a sign-in account. So as long as you have a Take Profit Trader email that I can send off to Take Profit Trader if you win, then we're good. $32K a month now, just cruising, nice. You took 10 points on the 3-minute bull Harami, very nice. So we did just put in Harami here, which actually looks good. For our long. Can actually break our entry here. This actually would look like a pretty good setup actually. Might actually add. Full port. Robbins. K Robbins, what's going on? Thank you for the sub. Appreciate the support. Currently have $83 people in the giveaway, guys. Exclamation point pine in the chat. We're gonna do it in about 20 minutes or so, 25 minutes. We'll do the moose race. Must be here, or we will run it again. thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. Also, Nunez, thank you for the sub. Appreciate the support. Do you have to pay the moose overtime if they run twice? Yes. I feed them carrots though. They're happy. Don't forget to smash the like button too, guys. It's pretty easy. It's an easy way to support the channel. Smash that like button. I mean, we got 167 people watching. We only have 95 likes, so let's get that like button up. Hey, Dustin! Look at that. Thank you for the 5 gifted memberships. Awesome. Thank you so much. It is my birthday week. Let's go. Hey, Islana, what's going on? Yeah, it's my birthday week. This Friday, actually. Take profit account, Bull Strike Cheetah. It's the company Take Profit Trader. Oops. So Take Profit Trader right here. My favorite prop firm. Daily payouts. If you get to the funded account, get over the buffer, then you can take daily payouts. So definitely my favorite. But if you guys please have a Take Profit Trader sign in. So make sure you have an account in order to win the 150K evaluation credit. So deep. You have a short running 640. I don't know, man. I'm underwater too. I'm underwater too on my trade. What type of TPT discounts are running right now? Well, currently it's 30% off, no activation fees. So actually, so all-in cost on a 50K account is $119 if you use code PINE, all caps, so PINE. A 25K will cost you like $105 all in. So not a bad deal. Currently pushing down, testing that VWAP here. Yes, we had Dustin Capers gifting some memberships, Jamila. The account give, oh yeah, so you have to pay the account giveaway. So cash hole, so there is, you have to pay the activation fee if you pass the account, but it's still worth it. I mean, it's a $200 and something account, so yeah, there is the activation. Yeah, design. I'm with you, buddy. So yeah, we'll run that moose race in about. We'll run it about 8 o'clock Eastern time. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's on the. I pinned it to the top there. I think we're approaching. We got just over 100 members. It's completely free. Currently have 117. Dustin Capers with 5 more gifted. Dustin, thank you so much. Oh, that's hilarious. I got gifted my own alt account. That's hilarious. Thank you so much. Coach Influencer Pine Tree Trader, my alt account got gifted. Yeah, thank you, Dustin. Thank you, Mo. Uncle Mo in the house. Appreciate the support, guys. Maybe I'll win the moose race tonight, but it's possible. Oh boy, we are taking some heat. Maybe I should learn how to trade inside bar breaks, huh? Hey, thanks, Dustin. Appreciate that, buddy. Turning 41 on Friday. Hey, thanks, guys. Birthday week. Thank you, Sire. Liquidation week for you, yeah. My stop's in a bad spot too. It's gonna come down and hit it just to fill that gap. Ugh, what a horrible trade. Getting more popular since the My Funded Futures TV show. Yeah, the stream's been growing great. I might pop on the show tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Stay tuned. Oh, you guys. All right, cool, guys. Yeah, I asked yesterday like how many people found me from My Funded Futures, and hardly was any. But I'm glad that a few of you guys have popped in. So I appreciate that, Leon. Boy, it always just burns me when I try that discretionary stuff, like on this trade, and then, you know, instead of actually taking my setups, and then I'm getting burned because of it. So missed the show yesterday. Yeah, we were on the My Funded Futures TV with Terry. Sold at 21,065.
Order cancelled.
Oh. Oh well. Smoked on that one. Yeah, John King. Hey, John King, have you ever heard of inside bars? Have you ever heard of that strategy? I'm trying to learn it. Jeez, so stupid. I hate when I do mental dumb things like that. It's annoying. Oh well. We move on. But yeah, nice little break of the inside bars there, and then came right down and filled that gap. The small gap here. Yeah. Yeah, sand dip. This one is not. This one is. This the one with the S. That's how you can tell. It says SF and then EV. So this one I've dug out of the water. Oh, I took DLL on day one. So yeah, I went right down to 1200 on day one, and I've been digging it out of the water slowly. Oops. Just got rid of my My Funded Futures account. That's not it. Yeah, it's back. Whew. $150 away from passing TPT. Let's go. Yeah, best to wait for tomorrow. Fred, possibly. Have me and 0 Day J on the same time. The chat would be fire. That would be fun. That would be fun. So, I mean, the nice thing is that because Terry is on the show, so, and she's a friend of mine, so I have a little inside, which is nice. Bull Barbie was asking me as well, but I was just like, I don't know. I get super anxious when it comes to that stuff, but as you see, I was pretty nervous when we were streaming. The first stream I did on there, I was pretty nervous. I was pretty tight in the throat. I could feel it. Exclamation point pun in the chat, guys. We are racing, Honest Take. We are gonna race. Good timing, Honest Take. What's going on? Oh, really, Keegan? Yeah. Nice. Oh, thanks, Fred. Yeah, once I watched it back, even though it was torturous, and once I got talking about the charts, it was alright. As soon as like talking about the trading, kind of got me in my element again. We do, Honest Take. It's growing. It's fun. But yeah, you're right, Sire. It's exposure therapy. Yeah, when the CEO came on, see, I was not supposed to be on that segment, so I was just sitting there. I ended up muting my microphone because I was just like, oh boy. I'm like, Matt's on, which was good exposure for me, so they just left me there, but I muted my mic so I didn't say anything. Ask Terry to talk about feet to get you in the element. Yeah, exactly. Maybe I'll show my feet tomorrow, Fred. That'll be fun. No one wants to see that, though. Hey, Taylor Tackett, thank you for the sub. Caddy Wood, can you explain how prop firm trading works with NinjaTrader and TradingView? So basically how it works is like you sign up for what they call a valuation account, and they give you fake money, and then you have specific goals you have to get to. So for instance, if you sign up for a My Funded Futures account, so let's say you sign up for a My Funded Future starter account, right? So what's gonna happen is you're gonna pay $97. Actually, it's gonna be a few, maybe like $92 if you use code PINE. You get a small discount, or the starter pluses, which are 25% off right now if you use code PINE. But anyways, what happens is you have to get above, you have to make $3,000. You can do it in one day. There is no time limit. You will be rebilled at the end of the month. And then you have a drawdown of $2,500. So basically you got to get above 3,000, and once you pass that, then you get a funded account. So when they say a funded account, so it's still simulation money, and then you have to trade that for a minimum of 5 days and make $100 per day minimum to get a payout. So if you already have a NinjaTrader account or whatever, well, what they do is if you use TradingView, Tradeovate, or NinjaTrader, they're gonna give you a login. I use Tradeovate, so they just give me a login right here. If I go to my credentials, this is my login, my username for Tradeovate, and then my password, and then I just sign in to Tradeovate with that stuff, which it might work. I'm not really sure. I've never used TradingView or NinjaTrader, but you just sign into those accounts and then you start trading it. I don't know. Hope that helps. But yeah, I mean, if you have any more questions, then Icelana. Icelana, yeah. It was just funny because Terry did a joke and showed her feet today on My Funded Futures, and it was kind of a joke. Scalper full time. What's going on? You need Tradeovate, then only you can use Ninja or Trading View. Yeah, I'm not really sure how that works, but doing okay. Cody Mercer just started trading futures a few weeks ago, and I find myself dealing with very intense emotions while in trades. Towards the end of the day, I'm exhausted from the range of emotions. Is it just me? No. If you're trading all day, the exhaustion is crazy. So ideally in an ideal world, like if I can place a few trades in the morning and be done within 2 hours, it's so much less stress. But if I'm trading all day trying to pass evaluations and things like that, it's crazy. The Tradeovate ID is the one you will use to access NinjaTrader or TradingView. Okay, Sire, thank you for that. So you can log in with NinjaTrader or TradingView with your Tradeovate ID, according to Sire. So I appreciate that. I trade all day, no problems, no emotions. I'm godlike. Yes. Yes, Trev, you do trade all day. I see design on here on most trading all day too. Full-time scalper trades all day. Yeah. Does anyone else trade all day? How many of you guys trade all day? I try not to trade in the afternoons at all. Been trading since pre-market. Oof. Yeah, that's exhausting, Cody. You've been trading since 7:45 your local time? Wow. Yo, Jim. I'm trying to use alerts to reduce fatigue. That's a good idea. Cash all year on the screens for 16 hours. Oh. Oh, nice, his royal trades. Trade from 9:30 to 11 New York session. Yeah, that's basically when I'm trading too. For the most part. Blue light blockers, yeah, for sure. Alright, exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys. We're gonna do the giveaway very soon. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pull up the boost race here. For your viewing pleasure.
They always ask.
Terry Trade showing
Jerome
her
says,
feet
"Show
again,
'em your-"
in case you missed it.
Jerome says, show them your feet pics.
I can't. That's or they were asking you because they're always asking me to do the same, and you know they always asking me to show the hot stuff pictures.
Or
That's
nerd.
different.
All right, Moose Race. Moose Race. Let's see. Online stopwatch. So we will do a moose race, guys. Exclamation point pine in the chat. As soon as this strikes 8 o'clock, we will run the moose race. And smash the like button too, please guys. Smash that like button. Just gonna get the moose race pulled up here. Yes, and I will. And if you guys haven't joined the Discord, it's right up there on top. Join the Discord, and also you can follow me on X, Pine Tree Trader on X. Peter D in the house. Thank you for the sub. Sneaks, thank you for the sub. Appreciate the support. The real Chad, thank you for the sub. Appreciate the support. Hate when you hold too long and end up with a larger loss. Need to cut those losses fast. Yeah. Call out when I'm on the floor laughing. All right, exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. All right, I see the new subs just got in. So, 30 seconds, I'm going to close the entry, and we'll run the race. If you haven't got it in yet, exclamation point pine. Please have a Take Profit Trader account though, like a sign-in at least. You just got to have a sign-in. So an email sign-in. Thanks to Mo. Thanks to Uncle Mo, and thanks to Dustin for the gifted memberships. So let me all right, closing entries here. And we are running it. All right, here we go. All right, 173 people. Let's do 1 minute. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Must be here. You must be here. I'm gonna give 1 minute to claim the prize. If you're not here, we'll run it again. Who's gonna take it? 9 seconds. Wow. Who is it gonna be? Can't even see what it is. It's story time. Storytime Adventure Studio. Are you here? Yeah, right. Storytime Adventure Studio. First question, Storytime Adventure Studio. Are you in my Discord? If not, that's okay. It just makes it easier, but if you're not, it's perfectly fine. You're in my Discord? Okay, cool. What is your Discord name? And I'll just I'll message you in Discord. Jeff A? Okay. Let me find you. Congratulations. Someone tripped you up. Is this you? Story time. Hey, thank you, Dustin, for the gifted memberships. I really appreciate it. Thank you, Uncle Mo. And thank you guys. Jeff A or Adventure Time, I'm gonna message you on the Discord, and I just messaged you. Thank you so much, Mo. Thank you guys. Thanks for hanging out. I'm gonna call it there tonight. Really fun stream. It's always fun when we do the moose race. Really disappointed with my trading there. I should have just stuck with my strategies instead. I went kind of crazy and, you know, got too discretionary, get caught up in it, but it's all good. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And hey, look for me on My Fun to Futures TV tomorrow, possibly. I don't know. See how I feel in the morning, but I'll let you guys know in the Discord and I'll tweet it out. So.